doing pranks on nobody. So today I'm gonna be cleaning my room, and I have a special guest, my best friend. We've been best friends when I was 1 month, when he was a baby, as you know, and I love her. I just love her so much, and as you know, I'm 6, she's 7, she's older than me. Could you introduce yourself, please?
My name is Amaya, my last name is Georges, and my birthday passed on January.
My name is channel, subscribe to this channel. So my back clean chanm. So I'm gonna show you before and after. My papa show you before avec after. So bonne start.
Bonne start.
So this is before. So I'm gonna show you after. It looks really dirty because we took everything off. Yeah. So it's before right now, and we're gonna show you after. So let's get started. I'm gonna be cleaning this, and my best friend Amaya and my big brother is gonna be cleaning the drawer. So let's get started. Oh yeah, this is the best channel ever. Oh yeah, and I love you guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. So please subscribe to my channel if you want to see the giveaway.
Ew.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. So there's a little dust on
My best friend doing her bag, and I'm gonna do her job for her. Guys, I'm done with her jar, and this is her perfume. This is the mirror, and this is her ballot box, and these are her flowers that her mom made her, and this is her jewelry box.
So sachet to valise mwen. These are all my bags. As you know, I go out with my mom a lot. So sachet valise mwen, to valise mwen, mwen yo. To yo. Mwen fin fixe yo. Yo bien fixe. So n'a pas rangé couple la cognac. So let's get started. So hey guys. So I'm back, and this is the after. So this is the beautiful room that I've been cleaning up. So here's my unicorn bag. And here's my mom when she was pregnant. And here's a photo of me when I was 4. And over here, this is a picture of me when I was 5. And these 2 pictures are when I was 3, and this is a picture of me when I was a baby, and I like this picture. We did this on the cruise. This is a picture with my family members. And this is my purses. There is this are my perfumes. And this is my closet.
Let me
guys, there's some stuff on top of it. And here's these are some drawers. And here's my garbage can. And my basket is over there. And that's all I wanted to show you. Ooh. And I have a message for you guys, kids. So, this is my message. So, guys, always clean your room. Never forget. Always fix your bed. Never forget about that. Okay, guys? And please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And I'm going to be having a giveaway. When I get 10,000 subscribers.
1,000, not 10.
Yeah, 1,000 subscribers. Please start subscribing because I want to do that giveaway with you guys. If you want to see that giveaway. So guys, please subscribe. And what do you want to say?
To our channel.
Yeah, please subscribe to this channel. So guys, see you next time. Bye.